Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing something very simple but something very important. We're going to see a proper lip care procedure with the products that are available at home very easily. You can just close your eyes and think, yeah, this is there at home. I don't have to spend even one penny to do this treatment to your lips. So we're basically going to scrub our lips. You should understand that in modern days, especially women and men, most of us smoke. I mean, I don't smoke. We wear lipstick. I wear lipstick. So because of wearing lipstick, because of the chemicals in the lipstick, our lips tend to become dry and dark. And because of smoking also, for men and some women, it becomes dark. But for some of us, like me, I was born with a naturally dark lips, but I always made sure it was nourished and moisturized, but most of the time it's becoming very dry. So I'm prepared a scrub that will avoid dryness and it will help a little bit in lightening the lips. You cannot do everything overnight. You need to do it over a period of time to see results. So this is the first time I am doing scrubbing for my lips. I usually just cleanse it and apply balm. So I thought, why not scrub my lips and see the results? If it's better, why don't I just keep continuing it? So without further delay, let's get started. So for this, I will show you all how to do the scrub, how to cleanse, then how to apply balm or any nourishing particles on your lips. So let's get started. So for this, I have taken white sugar, 1 spoon of white sugar, and to which I'm adding a little bit of coconut oil. Make sure you add very less coconut oil. Don't pour too much and make it too liquidy. And I've also grinded the sugar a little bit, just for like 1 second in the mixie, so that it's not too hard or big. Then to this combo I'm adding of turmeric. Just give a little bit of turmeric, don't add too much. And then I'm mixing it up and the scrub is ready. So as I showed you all, I've made the scrub with sugar, coconut oil and turmeric. The reason I added turmeric is turmeric has properties for enhancing the color on the skin and it helps in reducing the pigmentation. So I thought, why don't we use it on the lips and see if it's reducing the darkness. So along with me, you can even pause this video and go get all these stuff and let's do this together and see how well it works for us. So the first step in taking care of your lip is cleansing it. If you're wearing lipstick or not wearing lipstick, I would suggest always cleanse your lips. You can use micellar water or coconut oil or milk. So for today I'm using coconut oil. I've taken a bunch of cotton and I'm going to use homemade coconut oil. Always, the way I remove lipstick, especially the ones that get dried matte finish lipsticks, is that you need to apply the coconut oil and let it set. Let the coconut oil loosen the product at least for 10 seconds. So I've applied the coconut oil. Once you let it loosen, it is much more easier to remove. You don't have to waste products and reapplying it and rubbing it again. So I'm just finished cleansing. And when you cleanse with milk or coconut oil, it gives that natural nourishing or moisturizing effect on your lip, so that when you apply a scrub, it is not too harsh on your lips. So don't apply the scrub directly on a dry lips. Make sure it is a little bit moist, then apply the scrub. Otherwise you will end up hurting your lips. So let's get on to the scrub. So what I'm going to do is take some scrub on my ring finger. Because I don't want to put too much pressure on my lips, I'm just going to use my ring finger and scrub. It's going into my mouth, it's okay. And I would suggest do it for at least 60 seconds. For beginning stage, we can do it for 30 seconds, that's more than enough. So go in circular motion. don't be too harsh. That's the reason I'm telling you all to use the ring finger, because you cannot put in more pressure. See, this part of it is very strong. I think that's enough. I'm already feeling that tingling effect on my lip. So once you're done with this, you can wash it off. First, make sure you just be gentle now and just wipe off the extra sugar particles. I'll just go wash it off and come. So I have washed off my lips. I can already feel it is being a little plump. My lips are never like this. So for the final step is always to moisturize your lips. You can either use a lip balm or coconut oil is more. So I'm going to use this lip balm from Maybelline. And there's one more step, just wait. I am drinking water. The most important step for your skin or your hair or your lips to be in a good condition is to drink a lot of water. So without drinking water, only 50% of such things will work. So drink water and do such things, you can expect 100% results. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. And until I meet you all with another video, take care, stay safe, bye.